Hello guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how to be a Nimc agent. Without no further delay, let's get started. So this device that you are actually looking on the screen is mainly used for NIN registration, NIN personalization, and generating of NIN slip. So it's actually not, it cannot be used for any modification at the time of making this video, but the information reaching to me, getting to me now, is that it can actually be used for modification access too, like this device that you are looking on can be used for adult personalization, which means adult registration of NIN, and children registration of NIN too. And if the person NIN is BVN generated NIN, that is so done for the person at the bank, it can be used to correct it. Once enrollment is actually done on this device, whether it is child or an adult enrollment, you can use the device to check it. As you can see, as it's showing on the screen here, you use the device to check all your record, all your registration record. Once you check all the registration record, you are going to know if the work actually been submitted or not. What I mean by the work is actually the NIN registration that you did, if the work has been submitted successfully to the NIMC database or not. If it has been submitted successfully, you are going to see it that's going to mark the green button is going to be marked if it has been submitted successfully, so you'll be able to print out the NIN slip on this machine. If it has not been submitted successfully, it's still going to be bringing out pending for you on this device. Everything is going to be visible for you on this device. You are going to see everything on this device. So once it's bring out successful, that it has been actually synchronized successfully with the NIMC database, just make sure that you print out the NIN slip and print it out for the customer. That's all.